Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our channel, guys. If you're new here, welcome to the family. I just get down making a video for a sister asked me tips about breastfeeding. I hope it helped her. And I have Elliana here, and yeah, we're just gonna go outside for a little bit, take the kids outside, and then make them some lunch for them. And yes, my husband has an interview today for a job. As you all, probably not you all, some of you know that he lost his job when all this disease started first, but now he got a job. He didn't get the job, but he has an interview. I'm very excited for him. He's just tired of being home, so stay tuned.
Everyone go outside. Stay tuned. Bye.
Bye. This is my garden, my little garden. I have my tomatoes here and some kind of hot peppers. Look at that, guys. It's growing. And then I have my cherry tomatoes. And then I have my cilantro. And I have cucumber. And I just put extra cilantro in there. But yeah, I'm very excited for this. Thanks to my in-laws. Your interview.
Nervous.
What?
It's been a long time since I had an interview. 5 years.
Yeah.
So
Good
hopefully
luck,
it goes
honey.
well.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Look, we have a hole in the back. Look, Ellie, you have a big hole.
Looking good. Love you. Good luck. So I'm just sitting outside with the kids. My husband just left for his interview. It's 12 o'clock, but I don't know when it's gonna end. And I have the kids all to myself today. It's been like 2 months he's home. And the bird and outside feels very nice. It's not that hot in the shade, but over there it's hot. What, Hoya? Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm back. Nothing really. Husband left for his interview, and kids are in the living room. This is our basement, and they just playing games and stuff. But I'm about to feed them lunch and put the little ones to nap, so I can have a little free time to myself. What else? Everything's going on right now. I don't want to talk about it, but it's very sad, and I hope everything works out good for everybody. If you're out there, please stay safe, because remember this, okay? There's a bad people in the world and there's a good people in the world, so don't forget the good people, okay? That's all I can say. What else? Yeah, nothing. I'm just gonna clean my room for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna watch a little bit TV, which I really don't watch TV during the day. I watch TV more during the night with my husband. This show we watch is really good. It's called The Originals, and it's about vampire and stuff. If you don't like vampire, I mean, I don't like vampire stuff, but the show has a good story. So that's what we watch, me and my husband, nighttime when the kids go to sleep. That's the only time we can watch it. And during the day, you know, if you have kids, you're all busy running after the kids all day. But don't forget about yourself. Take care of yourself as a mother to mother. If you don't take care of yourself and you don't have enough energy, you'll be mad. And you'll be mad at the kids. And you'll be frustrated. But you have to take care of yourself first. And then so you can be able to take care of your kids. And yeah, and then we'll go back outside later. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. I mean, dinner is I think dinner is the hardest thing. Like, you have to think, what are you gonna make, what are you gonna make? Before, when school was open, I used to make a meal and then just put it in the fridge. Now it's just everybody's home, and don't get me wrong, I love cooking, I enjoy cooking, but I just get tired of it. But still, I'm gonna cook. And then we'll see you guys later. And then when my husband comes home, we'll ask him how his interview go today. That's all. See you guys later. In a little bit after I put the kids to bed, I have a lot to tell you. But give me how was your interview go, honey?
It went good. Supposed to call back next week for a second interview. If everything goes good, get a start at the end of the month.
Yeah. Were you
Ready
nervous?
to get out of the house.
I know. You look so much different today than the other days.
Because I had to dress up.
I know. Were you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haven't had an interview in 4 years.
You wear a mask?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. They take your temperature?
Yeah, they took our temperature. We had to wear masks. They only had 5 people in there at a time, and we had to stay 6 feet apart. And then my interview lasted longer than everybody else's that was there. Everybody else got done. I was still in there for like 10-15 minutes more than the other people, which hopefully is a good thing.
I hope so.
I hope so too.
I miss you.
I miss you too, baby.
Okay, now open your eyes.
Oh my gosh! Pew, pew, pew.
Sophia,
Pew, pew,
you have
pew.
this right here.
Hold up.
And this
Wait a
one
minute.
is right
It's a child.
Stop! Okay.
I'm getting all the marshmallows ready for them.
Yeah? What are you doing with your cabbage?
It's funeral.
It's funeral?
Her cabbage got torn up.
Yeah.
The gas company came, tore up the yard, tore up her cabbage.
So guys, we're just chilling outside. Me and the kids. And the husband. So I'm
Baby
just gonna...
daddy. What you talking about?
What? What?
I said, I'm your baby daddy.
Bye. So we're just gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys next time. I'm really tired. I'm ready to go to sleep. It's been a long day. Say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.
Mommy, today